family, welcome back to another video. My name is Simone. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I post another video. As y'all see by the title, this video is a eyeshadow makeup tutorial, so let's just get started. Today the palette that I'm going to use for the eyeshadow look is the JUVIAS Place the Wahala 3, or not Wahala, the Warrior 3 by JUVIAS Place. And this is what it looks like. The colors look like this. I'm just gonna open it up for y'all, show y'all the colors. The colors that I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use this wheel right here to help me decide two colors. So yeah, I'm just gonna spin the wheel. Okay, I can work with that. So I picked Candice, which is this purple color here, and Kahina, which is this cranberry looking color. So that's gonna be good. So I'm actually gonna start on my face. Y'all already know how I do my face makeup, and enjoy the music. I might pop in here and there so y'all can, or just to talk to y'all. So yeah, let's get started. The foundation that I'm using is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and it's in the color Caracas. I think that's how you say that. basically I was just saying in this clip, since the video was not playing audio for some reason, I was just saying that I hope y'all enjoyed this look because I enjoyed doing it, and I'm gonna start doing the color wheel, like picking the colors out of the palette. But basically I hope you guys enjoyed this video and continue to watch my videos because it means a lot to me and it helps me get noticed on this platform that we call YouTube. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me some comments in the comment section, and all the products that I use will be in the description box, and I will talk to y'all in a later video. Bye y'all.